What's up, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm opening up the Galaxy Stargate extra booster box. Let me really quickly get this open. Okay, box has been opened. Let me grab the first pack out. Obviously we're trying to hit the ZR, the Z-Rare, or one of these special parallels. I've never opened up the set, so I don't know what we're guaranteed. I know this is the Generation Rare era, so I don't know if we're guaranteed one per box or not, but let's see. I am gonna have to zoom in just a little bit. Nope, I'm zooming out. Hold on. Alright, Extreme Battler Victor, Head Cosmic Hero Gun Hero, Dr. Axtor, Magical Performer, Dimensional Robo Daimoon. Our first rare. Ooh, forgot the pattern changes. Dimensional Beast, and we have just a rare pack. I forgot with the different generation that the foiling does change and look different. Cosmic Hero Grand Wisdom, Young Bluffetcher, Rega Blula, Dimensional Robo Pilot Matthew, Saw Bugumba, I'm trying my best to pronounce it, Dimensional Robot Dagon, and we have, what is that? I'm actually not sure what this is because I can't tell where it is on the card. It doesn't say rare. Is that a... I don't actually... No, all this is RE. That's really nice looking. I don't think the rares are worth anything in this set, but I will set those aside. Cosmic Hero Grand Wisdom, Dimensional Robo Die Crusher, Star Vader Vala Jr. Dragon, Orbit Ballfinder, Extreme Battler, and Extreme Battler Servant Temple, and we have a Cosmic Hero Grand Monk. I will have to figure out what that one card is after the video because it doesn't... Oh, that's the special reissue. Okay. So that is a reprint card. Extreme Battler Victor had Dr. Axstorm, Trick Deleter Zork, Orda... I don't know how to say that one. Extreme Battler Jiro Hawk, and we have another double rare. Honestly, I'm hoping for the ZR, but I'm hoping for really anything. Cosmic Hero, Oida, Resistant Star Vader, Trick Deleter Zog, Dimensional Robo Die Bloom. We have the Large Wheel of the Cosmos Wreath, and Dimensional Robot. So far, this is a really nice set. I might get another box of this at some point. Extreme Battler, why is it not? Extreme Battler Ninja, Dimensional Robo Die Cutter, Star Vader Vala Jr. Dragon, Dimensional Robo Die Repeater, Dimensional Robo Die Moon, Motor Kaiser, and we have just a single rare pack. I don't know how many packs we have left, but I am hoping for something really good. Great Cosmic Hero Grand Badoo, Magical Performer, Depose Deleter, Dimensional Robo Die Support, and we have our first triple rare. Wow, that's very nice for a Link Joker. Let's see. We might be guaranteed one or two more. Actually, probably just one more triple rare, honestly. But let's see. Young Bluffetcher, Dimensional Robo Die Cutter, Saw. Okay, we have Extreme Battle Gunzard. And we have another one I cannot pronounce. Let's see. I'm going to take them out of the box. 4 left. Cosmic Hero Grand Scout, Dimension Robo Director, Wild Child of Many Worlds, Dimension Robo Die Draft. We have a Fierce Attack Starvader, and we have just a single rare pack. Let's see. Bada, Great Cosmic Hero Grand Abbot, Lady Bomber of Mystical Storm, Build Standard, so that is a Lego. Bite Deleter. We have a Cosmic Hero Grand Rope, and we have another double rare Starvader. It's seeming like we're not going to be guaranteed a GR. So this is the era where they apparently do not guarantee you anything. Lady Bomber of Magnet Storm, Dimension Robo Die Crusher, Dimension Robo Die Bloom, Heaven and Earth Combined, and we have just a single rare pack. Hopefully, we do get one more triple rare. Come on. Cards would not come in the pack for some reason. Cosmic Hero Grand Pledge, Resistance Darvader, Wild Child of Many Moons, Dimensional Robo Die Draft. We have Extreme Battler as our rare, and we do have Super Dimensional Robo as our final triple rare in the box. Really nice card. But that's going to be it for the video. If you do want to see more, I'll see you next video. Bye!